All you need to know about scroll rectangle in 3 minutes? Easy. First off, I'll show you what I have open in my scene. I have a scroll rectangle which is on my right. It'll be my background and it'll have my scroll rectangle. I have my scroll bar, which I will use later, and my characters, which is simply a game object with a bunch of images inside. Now, to start this off, you take the characters and you make them a child of scroll rectangle. Change position X, how you want it, and position Y. Then you go into scroll rectangle and you find scroll rectangle. The content, what we're gonna scroll. So that's gonna be characters. How we want to scroll it, horizontally or vertically. I don't want it to go side to side, but I do want it to go up and down. So I'll get rid of horizontal. The movement type. Will it bounce off the sides? Will it have no sides? Or will it not bounce, but it'll still be stuck? I'm going to use clamped. We have inertia. That is, if it's going to slide. The deceleration rate is either 0, which means it won't slide, all the way to 1, which means it'll slide forever. Scroll sensitivity, how much sensitivity the scrolling is. Viewport, the view. And the scroll bars are your standard scroll bars. Which one you want for horizontal and vertical. Now I'm going to run this. And you see, it doesn't bounce off the sides. It can't go horizontally, but it can go vertically. That's about that. But you can see this bottom character, or the top one, depends on where you are. So, I'm going to add a simple mask element, and like that, once it goes off, it's gone. Now, to add the scroll bar, you simply take your scroll bar and add it into the scroll bar slot. Now we have the visibility, permanent. Will it always be there? Will it automatically hide? Or will it automatically hide and expand the viewport? So I'll click it like that, and now I can scroll, or I can do that with my mouse. The scroll bar is a standard UI element, and that's about that. Notice how all the elements are children of the canvas, and there is an event system. You will need that to work this and make it function. That's about everything you need to know about scroll rectangle in this short little time of 3 minutes.